Top news headlines. Men involved in serial bomb blast apprehended. PMJAY enrollment drive program held at Nonay District Headquarters. Good evening and welcome to Pony Television English News at 6 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai giving you the latest news update. Imphal West Police apprehended a person yesterday involved in the recent serial bomb blasts in Imphal areas. Speaking to the media in a press meet today, Imphal West SP Khetrimayum Shivakanta Singh said after receiving a specific information about the whereabouts of some persons in and around Kangla Sangomshang area who were involved in the recent serial bomb blasts, a team of Imphal West Commando led by additional SP operations and assisted by Inspector P. Achoba Mite under his command and supervision rushed to the said area and cordoned off some houses. During the search operation, a certain person tried to escape the operation, but he was caught along with a jar containing one detonator fitted on a Cortex wire of approximately 1 feet, 58 pack sticks weighing approximately over 7 kilograms, 3 coils of Cortex wire, 397 numbers of detonators in boxes, and 2 batteries. 1 soldering iron rod, 1 bolt cutter, 1 ratchet wire stripper, 1 cutter blade, 8 small iron rods, and 1 electrical insulating tape, 1 black color Hyundai i20 car bearing registration number MN05A5899 along with some clothes used in commission of the recent bomb blast were recovered from his house. The apprehended identified himself as one Thaunojam Rishi Luangcha, aged 46, son of Thaunojam Shelung Singh of Kangla Sangomsang Makhalekai, Imphal East District. 1 Realme X3 Super Zoom mobile handset along with 1 Airtel SIM card, rupees 9,000 and 1 Aadhaar card and in his name were recovered from his possession on spot body search. Further, he disclosed that he is an active member of National Revolutionary Front of Manipur NRFM and that he started working with the organization since September 2021 under the command of self-styled Chairman 00 of NRFM. He also disclosed that he was involved in recent serial bomb blast incidents that took place in Nagamapal, Kurai, Thoidingjam, Lekai and Little Flower School for conducting such act. He claims to have received rupees 30,000 for each bomb blast. He arrested person along with the seized items have been handed over to Porompat Police Station for further necessary legal action.
National Revolutionary Front of Manipur NRFM organization the city active money the March 2021 September NRFM under the command of WO and Bangladesh Magi Chairman WC Makhada the Minor Tabak to Holkibani the Magi Hydropogi Matungina Masi Hokiba Namhagi Tarikuna Juni the factor in Pumani new title in Manata little showers in the bomb blast of the General Mission Mahamasam the plant of Germany Mission at the go. Hokiba Tama the Nagamapagi Dukanamada Ni Tarik Mamata Su bomb blast idea Mopai to the Su Mahana Tobani Hydro at the go. Kurai tujuan mereka itu tanggungan kita bukan militan terutama bomb blast sama tu bukai di bomb blast sama lagi itu tu siapa misalnya itu masih seperti serial blast apa macam serial blast kan mungkin sudah koi teror ke tahun dah siapa yang jauh siapa kumba anti-social terrorist.
PMJAY enrollment drive program was held at Nonay District Headquarters today. The state enrollment drive was organized under the sponsorship and initiatives of 54 Numba MLA and HAC Chairman Dinganglung Gangmei and social worker Lanpulung Gamei, who is also an ADC intending candidate Longmai segment. The reported PMJAY health card enrollment push attracted a large number of residents from Longmai village during this program. Approximately 300 people were successfully enrolled. Lanpulung Gamei, speaking to the media, stated that the program will be held on a regular basis if necessary for the public's interests. Lanpulung Gamei's main goals as a social worker were to improve the bad economic situations of the people and to bring certain changes in the area by raising awareness about the various government schemes and encouraging maximum participation under the capable BJP government. Currently, he is working as a social worker in 54 Numba constituency and also holding the post of BJP active member.
Modi ki ani suba second day ki enrollment health card ki pang sarat MP ki nomini mangna tharakana akhoi honorable HAC ki chairman Dinganglung Gangmei babani ki makhada noneda second day ki oina chathari aduga mayam apiduna kanna chathari luchinaba mayam ki safanaba mayam ki damakta cover tawnaba kanna
A village chief in Cycle Block died of gunshot after he was called out of house late last night. The deceased is said to be one Zilhem Kongsai, aged 57 years, a chief of Napai village, Cycle. Sources say that he was called out from home around 11:50 p.m. yesterday, after which a sound of gunshot was heard. Later, the chief was found sustaining serious bullet injury. He was rushed to Cycle CHC, where he succumbed to his injury. Large quantities of illegally smuggled liquor seized by Kakching police from one Mohammed Saddam, aged 20 of Pundre Sabal Lekai, after being intercepted at Kakching Lamkai. The items were seized from Mohammed Salam includes 48 bottles of 750 ml Old Monk, 72 bottles of 375 ml Old Monk, 384 bottles of 180 ml Old Monk, 240 bottles of 500 ml Kingfisher cane beer, 36 bottles of 750 ml Royal Stag, 24 bottles of 375 ml Royal Stag, 60 bottles of 750 ml McDowell's, 120 bottles of 375 ml McDowell's, 480 bottles of 180 ml McDowell's, 24 bottles of 750 ml OC Blue, 12 bottles of 750 ml Sterling Reserve, 12 bottles of 750 ml Blender's Pride, 24 bottles of 750 ml Zeno Rum, and 48 bottles of 750 ml Caravan Whiskey. Concerning on the matter, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh remarked that individuals are having problems as a result of consuming unlawful fake liquors and that the state government has begun an investigation. 44 Assam Rifles concludes week-long yoga shivir that began on May 30 in the backdrop of scenic hills of Tamenglong. To mark the 14th day of the countdown to International Day of Yoga (IDY), 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector IGAR East organized a mega yoga event today at Tamenglong Helipad. The program was a part of the 44 Assam Rifle Unit's continuous endeavors as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, with the goal of inspiring mass movement for health and well-being through yoga. The capsule included yoga demonstrations by expert, common yoga protocols, yoga postures and meditation techniques, Speaking on the closing ceremony, the commandant of 44 Assam Rifles asked the people of Tamenglong and KPI to come forward and practice yoga as a routine for a healthy and stress-free life and help the unit's initiative to promote yoga and spread message for holistic development of mind and body. Further, he stated that although there is high-tech medical facilities, people are still leading a stressful, unhealthy and unstable life. In this situation, yoga can bring peace to our body, mind and soul and add more value to our life. The Yoga Shivir was entirely dedicated to the many importance of yoga in modern life and especially how we can incorporate yoga into our busy schedule, he added further. Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates. Welcome back after the break. The proscribed Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) has clarified that 95 pieces of fake rupees 500 note totaling rupees 50,000 recovered from one Soibam Ronaldo alias Abungo of Soibam Lekai are unrelated to the outfit. According to a press release issued by RPF Assistant Secretary Publicity Bankim, the RO of the RPF Finance Department, tasked Soibam Ronaldo with collecting rupees 50,000 from Jai Singh Jain, the proprietor of Mamta Electronic in Thangal Bazaar, as a contribution to the revolutionary movement, but the rupees 500 notes later turned out to be faked. According to a press release issued by the RBI yesterday, there has been no change in existing currency notes. It further stated that there are reports in certain sections of the media that the Reserve Bank of India is considering replacing Mahatma Gandhi's face with that of others on existing currency and bank notes. It may be noted that there is no such proposal in the Reserve Bank. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday launched a special series of coins that are also visually impaired friendly. The coins of rupee 1, rupees 2, 5, 10 and 20 denominations will have the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Akam design and are not commemorative coins and will be a part of circulation. These new series of coins will remind people of the goal of Amrit Kal and motivate people to work towards the development of the country, said PM Modi while addressing the iconic week celebration of the Ministry of Finance. Modi also launched the Jan Samarth portal, a credit-linked portal of 12 government schemes. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said each of these schemes will be displayed on the portal, and the portal will make it simple for citizens to access government programs without having to ask the same questions repeatedly. Before we wrap up with today's news bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Man involved in serial bomb blast apprehended. PMJAY enrollment drive program held at Nonay District Headquarters. That is the end of today's English News Bulletin at 6 p.m. Stay tuned to Pawnee Television for more updates.